The Christmas season is finally here, and this year is actually really special because the kids are finally getting old enough to begin to see the joy that this Christmas holiday can actually bring. On this special morning, I just really wanted to make a sort of timestamp video to try to remember the exact age of our kids in this holiday season and what life is actually like in this special home here in Tulsa. I really want to begin to make fun Christmas memories with our boys. It's really easy in our home to miss the Christmas magic because it's decorated for Christmas so early in September for filming.
Dad, this is for Brody. I want to help.
You might help?
Yeah.
You brought him a toy?
Yeah.
It's so nice of you, buddy. Are you gonna go try to give it to him right now?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Go for it.
So I wanted to kind of start a tradition this year where we pick a day in the month of November and we officially kick off the Christmas spirit in our home.
Thanks, baby.
And here's kind of just a small snapshot of that day and us doing just that. I hope it inspires you guys to do the same in your homes. So I start my morning off with some quiet time, my coffee.
Good morning.
Then I go upstairs and I usually grab Brody out of his crib. He is the cutest thing.
You want to wake up? You ready? Let's go.
A lot of the time these mornings, Sawyer and Tyler are playing at the Christmas tree with the train or just hanging out. So we came down to join them to crawl around and play and just spend time together as a family, which honestly, I feel like we need to prioritize during the holiday season.
Hi, Bobby.
Give him hugs. Oh. Whoa, smash. Good job.
Then it's time to make some breakfast. Now, every morning whenever I make the kids breakfast, usually we do scrambled eggs, but these are very special croissants. These are from Ballerina Farms, and they are absolutely delicious. So I wanted to cook up something that felt a little bit more Christmassy and special, while still making sure we have kind of our basic breakfast that we always have.
Hi, buddy. Sit with Mama.
Daddy, go get me a blanket.
Please.
Please.
You can have two halves, but you need to be able to see the chocolate and eat it.
We all sit together at this tiny little table, which is actually hilarious looking back at the footage of it. We really don't fit all four of us, but we make it happen. Brody is a little snuggle bug I always want to remember this season, and Sawyer is just the cutest kid ever. Always has an appetite for breakfast.
Take a big bite. Whoa. Thank you, Lord, for this breakfast that you bless our family. Amen. Mwah.
Mom,
Yeah.
I love you.
Oh, I love you too, buddy. You're my favorite.
Oh.
Boy named Sawyer.
Oh my goodness. That was close.
Okay, now it's time to get ready for the day. I wanted to get into something Christmassy to kind of kick up the Christmas spirit. I got Scout in her little Christmassy outfit. The boys got their Christmas trees on, and now we are ready to decorate some extra rooms of the house.
Let's go.
As you guys know, we already have our house decorated for Christmas, but I saved the boys' rooms for last. I thought it'd be kind of fun to decorate their bedrooms for Christmas together once it got closer to Christmas, to kind of kick off the Christmas season and have fun together as a family, adding all the little Christmassy touches to their room.
We're gonna put that on Brody's room, on the ledge. You wanna go put it in there?
I really wanted to illuminate their rooms with some really beautiful snow globes and these really pretty paper stars, just to add like that special Christmas glow at nighttime. Also, I found some really sweet Christmas books that we're adding to their book library in their rooms.
That's like in Brody's room.
Yeah, it's like a snowman.
Just things that are gonna create that Christmassy atmosphere, adding some art, kind of swapping out what is pre-existing with some new fun art pieces that just feel very festive and wintry. And letting Sawyer help along the way. That was really fun this year. This is kind of the first year that he's sees what's going on, knows what's going on, really wants to be involved, and that just makes it all the more special. Wanted to go outside on the little patio here right off Sawyer's room. It was such a beautiful day. When we filmed this, the leaves were starting to turn, and it was just a nice reprieve to get out in the fresh air. I found these really cute Christmas plaid crib sheets. I'll link them below for you guys if you're interested. Added a really soft Sherpa blanket for Sawyer's bed. Brody loved it. That is not Brody's room, but you know, he loves the fact that he can crawl in and out all by himself.
Should we put this on your bed?
I got a crib sheet for Brody's room. So special. And then I had a bunch of these red beads left over, bead garlands, so I added them to the windows and I think it looks so cute. And then added a couple stars, or just one star, to Brody's room, which is very festive.
Okay, Daddy's gonna put these little Santa pants on. And we gotta throw the snowballs in the pants. Can you grab a snowball?
Okay, then we want to mix it up with our day. We wanted to have some fun with the kids. We have this amazing Santa Pants game. You basically use that blow up ball and you have to throw the ball into Santa's pants, which is hysterical. I think this would be such a fun game to play on Christmas Eve with your family, or just to have on hand for a snowy day with your kids.
Dump 'em in! Say night-night. Night-night.
Why you got it?
And then it was time to put Brody down for a nap. So Brody is on 2 naps and he takes his morning snooze right around 10 o'clock. So it was his turn to go down. Look how pretty that star is. It's so special and he loved falling asleep to it.
What is that?
That's baby Jesus.
Baby Jesus?
Yeah.
His bed looks kind of empty, right?
Yeah.
He kind of needs something cozy to lay on. Well, guess what we're gonna do? Every day, we're gonna bend one of these and we're gonna rip it off. Can you rip it? And every day, we're gonna do something kind and nice, and it's gonna give us a nice, cozy bed for Jesus to lay on. Let's read this book and let's see what it says, okay? Soft enough for a king.
While Brody napped, we pulled out this really adorable game. It's called Soft Enough for a King.
She's having a baby soon. She has a baby in her belly. Who is that baby? Baby Jesus.
I love this Soft Enough for a King Christmas activity. It's great to do all month long during December. And it was so fun explaining the whole premise to Sawyer and just hearing how his little mind kind of comprehended everything.
We're gonna do something kind, and we're gonna fill it out, and we're gonna make a soft bed for baby Jesus, okay? Okay?
Mom, I'm gonna do it right now.
You wanna do something kind?
Yeah.
What do you think you could do that's kind?
Take naps and play and ask mommy
Yeah.
and say excuse me
Yeah.
and
Yeah. So how about we write down the first one you're gonna do today is you're gonna eat lunch and be a good listener. Is that a good one? Okay. Now let's put that one in there. That's our first one. You gotta take them out. Perfect. Every day we'll add some more, okay?
While Brody napped, we wanted to keep doing Christmassy things around the house. So we went into what was my office, which is now kind of just our little Christmassy sitting room. And we played with our new Christmas train. I found this Christmas train on Facebook Marketplace, and it is quite possibly the best and the cutest Christmas train of all time. And then we went into the kitchen and we wanted to add a few festive touches to the kitchen. So I added some really cute Santa towels. We also have a little soap dispenser. We had some extra greenery to put on the windows in the kitchen, which is fun. And then of course brought out our spatulas and our Santa sponges. All the little things that just give it that extra flair of Christmas. Then for lunchtime, I wanted to make some hot chocolate with Sawyer. So we made some hot chocolate and then let him put the marshmallows in. He was very excited about the little chocolate spoons and peppermint sticks that we could put in there and stir around. And then I made everybody some grilled cheese, and we went out to the porch and had a nice little lunch together. I am gonna miss these porch swings. Tyler built these for us, and they are just so cozy and beautiful all year round. Such a special place. Now that the house was finished being finally decorated, we had our lunch and Brody woke up from his nap. It was time for us to venture outside and go for a walk. We love walking around our neighborhood, and we've had a pretty warm November. I feel like we've been able to walk almost every day. And so we just wanted to soak up all the sunny, warm days that we have left before it gets super cold.
And 21 days I spent the better half of the year just holding your space.
The leaves were practically snowing. I felt like they were falling from the trees as we were walking by. It was so picturesque. But we just love our neighborhood so much. It's a historic neighborhood and just the homes are so beautiful. Sawyer's at that age where he loves getting out of the stroller and he wants to run with Dad, which is so cute. And it's kind of a special time for our family to walk around the neighborhood. We stop by a park with Scout and we all just kind of hang out.
When the snow's coming down, the song you're singing, and you're here all around, small piece of heaven.
So on this perfectly fall yet Christmassy kickoff day, I just love that we were able to spend time together as a family, do Christmassy things as a family, and kind of have a day where we kick off the holiday spirit and the Christmas spirit together, making it special, making it kind of a thing that we'll do every single year. They're at the age where I want to start making these fun traditions and doing fun things with them just to make Christmas feel extra special and sweet. So I hope this video inspired you guys.
Magic and a little faith can make every storm that's ever come just fade away.
I hope this Christmas season is so special for you and your family. I hope you feel encouraged to spend it with the ones that you love and to make those memories and to find ways that you can make it special for your kids or for each other, and just to do sweet, simple things and making them extra special.
To be your angel when the snow's coming down, the song you're singing, and you're here all around, small piece.
And finding a way to document it so you can look back and cherish the season that you're in and just kind of have that time capsule and that memory moment of what life was like at that point.
If you're coming around, oh, oh. If you're coming around, if you're coming around.
I love this house. I will miss this house. It's so special that we are able to have this video to look back on and just remember exactly how life was, the age our boys were, and the season that we were in. Merry Christmas to you guys. I hope you have a lovely holiday season, and we'll see you in the new year.
Please melt away the bitter cold. I'll be your angel when the snow's coming down, the song you're singing, and you're here all around, small piece of heaven on earth in this town. It's only Christmas. I'll be your angel when the snow's coming down, the song you're singing, and you're here all around, small piece of heaven on earth in this town. It's only Christmas if you're coming around.
hope you guys have the best Christmas holiday season. Squeeze the ones you love and enjoy it. Thanks for watching.